Creating an end-user needs assessment, the investigation phase. In our last video, you learned how to conduct the preparation phase of an end-user needs assessment. If you haven't watched that video, pause this one and click on the link in the description section to watch that video first. An end-user needs assessment typically has 3 phases: the preparation phase, the investigation phase, and the decision phase. In this video, we're going to show you how to conduct the investigation phase. In the investigation phase, you're working to wrap your head around your present situation. For example, what is your existing system or process, and how does it work? Then, you want to identify alternatives to that existing system. If you don't have an existing system, consider what else exists on the market or what your competitor uses. As you dive into the investigation phase, make sure you understand how your system works, at least well enough to explain its function to your project team. We recommend listing out all of your systems or competitors' systems, features, and functions so that your team can easily identify deficiencies or opportunities for your new system. Also, problems like going over budget or having to delay the launch arise when companies assume they know what their users like or dislike about their product, only to discover later that they missed the mark and have to go back to the drawing board to fix it. So it's vital to engage your end users and stakeholders in the investigation phase to nail down exactly what it is your users want from the start. Here are some questions you and your team should ask to evaluate your present system. What features of the existing system do your users like? What features do your users not like? What features do your users think are missing or wrong? How can the existing system be improved? List out every possibility, big or small. You can decide later in the decision phase what features are feasible to develop. Once you've completed the investigation phase, you can move on to the decision phase, where you'll flesh out the new proposed system and how you'll build it. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we share part 4 of the end user assessment video. Have questions about the investigation phase? Drop them in the comments below.